Now, business leaders of 25 companies from Japan who are in Kenya to scout for business opportunities Friday toward the mixed-use Tatu City special economic zone to explore investment potential. The delegation, comprising 40 executives from diverse business sectors such as manufacturing, technology and innovation, are keen on investing in Kenya and use the country as a gateway to regional and global markets.
The delegation from Japan toured some of the 88 companies operating under development at Tatu City, who have invested over 400 billion shillings and are employing over 25,000 people. They highlighted how investing in Kenya would empower them to access the larger African market.
Indeed, Kenya is ranked as #1 among African countries in a survey of Japanese companies' interest. The mission includes 29 Japanese companies from diverse sectors.
The only thing we don't have enough of is Japanese partners. And that's a very big problem for us. So we hope that after today we will solve that last issue.
Investors at special economic zones such as Tatu City are expected to benefit from reduced corporate tax, zero-rated VAT and import duty exemptions, among other incentives.